My name is Stephen Edwards. I'm the Program Chair of Industrial Systems Technology for Lenoir Community College at the Aerospace and Advanced Manufacturing Center. The purpose of Industrial Systems Technology is to train the next generation of highly skilled industrial maintenance technicians. Students have the opportunity to earn a wide range of certificates and third-party credentials. While at the center, students will receive training on state-of-the-art equipment. They'll learn the fundamentals of hydraulics, pneumatics, electrical systems, electronics. They'll also learn how to use manual machining equipment, learn welding, CAD, and troubleshooting and repair. These skills translate into fantastic job opportunities with our local employers.
My name is Ian Webb, and I started the Industrial Systems program in 2018. I will graduate in 2021 with my associates in applied science. Going through the program, I was able to land an internship at Master Brand Cabinets. Getting an internship through the Industrial Systems program has helped me further myself in wiring and learning basic mechanical skills.
Many students within the work-based learning program get hired as full-time employees before they even graduate with their degree.